In this video, we'll talk about powers of attorney, what they are, how to get one, and how to sign one. Hi, my name is John Moss. I'm a partner at the law firm of Moss & Moss LLP in the heart of New York City, in the Flatiron District on Park Avenue South. Let's dig into it. So what is a power of attorney? A power of attorney is a legal document that allows your agent, another individual, to sign your name, to write and sign contracts on your behalf, to commit to legal documents, to sign a real estate deed, in fact, on your behalf. It's a very, very powerful document, and as a result, it's not something you want to enter into lightly. Your power of attorney will have certain powers that you're granting to that individual, to your agent. And the powers are things like real estate transactions, bank transactions, investment matters, chattel goods, estate matters, so on and so forth. So your attorney, when they prepare it, will list the individual powers that you are granting to your agent so that they're not able to do things that you don't want them to do. In addition, you can also limit the power of attorney. For example, what we do in our office when we're preparing one for a real estate transaction, we will limit the power of attorney to that transaction so that your agent isn't able to go out and buy a car or a boat or do something crazy with your money. How to get one? We strongly recommend getting one from your attorney, from your lawyer. This way you know that it's drafted properly, you know that it does the things you need it to do, and you know that it's not going to allow your agent to do things that you don't want them to do. Powers of attorney are state specific. So for example, if you're executing a contract in New York, you would need to fill out a New York power of attorney. That would not necessarily apply in other states. It really depends. Particularly for real estate transactions, you'll want to talk to your attorney and know what you need to sign and have them prepare it properly. When it comes to signing power of attorney, pretty straightforward. Next to the list of powers, you will initial the ones that are relevant. Your attorney may indicate you to initial next to a certain set of powers, or alternatively, your attorney may list all of the powers that you're granting next to the last item, and you'll only initial in that one place. Again, should be pretty straightforward. There's parentheses, put your initials in between them, good to go. You'll also sign the power in front of a notary and 2 witnesses. Again, relatively straightforward. It does not need to be notarized in the state in which it occurs. So for example, if you're signing a New York power of attorney, you can execute it in Florida, California, what have you. There does need to be a notary public witnessing and 2 other additional witnesses. The notary public can serve as one of those witnesses, but if the notary is not comfortable doing so, any 2 individuals will suffice. The only person that cannot serve as a witness is your agent, because you're granting them that power. Your agent will also sign before a notary. However, your agent and you do not need to sign in the same place and certainly will not sign on the same page. So you can complete your power in one state, send it to your agent, and they can complete it somewhere else. In New York City, when it comes to real estate transactions, the original power of attorney, the wet signed document, does need to be presented at closing. And your agent will also need to present your photo ID. With those documents in hand, the wet signed original power of attorney and a copy of your photo ID, your agent can sign documents, can attend the closing, and you don't have to. In this way, you can close a real estate transaction remotely and be confident that it's in good hands. If you do need a power of attorney drafted or you have any other legal matters, we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.